everyone, it's Blue again. Combination of goldfish and flowers is one of the signatures of my style. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw an aesthetic goldfish. Place the orange inside the body. Drip the brighter orange toward the edges when it's still wet. And place another color. I choose green in the head and the bottom part of the fish to emphasize the shadow of the fish and let it bloom. Bloom is one of the techniques used in watercolor, which means to place a color into a wet surface and let it bloom like flowers. I will do a separate tutorial on this. While on the fins, I apologize if this part is a bit jumpy. Same treatment as the body, orange first when it's still wet. Drip the green color and let it bloom. And don't forget to leave some transparency on the fins. While waiting the fins dry, we can work on the body part again. You can draw the scales at the animation shown at the bottom left side. Remember to make the color lighter in the middle part of the body. Color on the top and the bottom are brighter, lighter in the middle. Enhance the color at the edges of the head. Place brighter orange for the details and shadow of the head. Same treatment as I explained. Now we can rehearse one more time. Don't forget to draw the crease in the fins. Can use dark or brown or whatever color based on your main tone. I choose green and dark orange. lightly and cautiously. Now your fish is alive! The following steps are to be followed optional. I add white and gold color for the details of the scales and the fins. That's why the fish is called Goldfish Man. For the background, I place the dry flowers to create a more complex feelings. As I'm still practicing on my skill on dry flowers, I won't show much, but I hope later I can do more and show a more comprehensive tutorial to you guys. Now the goldfish is completely done. Have fun with this. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you guys in my Instagram as well. Bye bye. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and more tutorials will come soon. See you guys later. Bye bye.